To connect your Samsung Smart TV to a Konzert Amplifier, follow these steps for an enhanced audio experience. Start by turning off both devices. Locate the audio output port on your Samsung TV. It could be HDMI ARC, optical audio Toslink, or a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the Konzert Amplifier, find the corresponding input port. Use the appropriate cable, HDMI ARC, optical audio, or AUX, depending on available ports. For HDMI ARC, connect one end to the TV's HDMI ARC port and the other to the amplifier's HDMI input. For optical audio, use a TOSLINK cable between the TV's optical output and the amplifier's optical input. For a 3.5mm connection, use an AUX cable from the TV's headphone jack to the amplifier's analog input. Once connected, turn on both devices. On the amplifier, select the correct input source and adjust the volume. If using HDMI ARC, enable it in the TV's settings under Sound. Audio output. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Enjoy the improved sound quality.